Okay. So you should be able to see your slides.
Yeah, I can't see it.
Oh. It's not on there at all?
No, I just see your little bomber guy. Let me go through and let me see. Okay, I see it now. Now I see it.
Okay. Now you see my screen?
Mm-hmm.
Now do you see your slides?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Whenever you're ready.
Okay. So I have animal assisted therapy. What is animal assisted therapy? Also known as pet therapy, a growing field that uses dogs or other animals to help people recover from or better cope with health problems. It does not only help with physical problems, but also emotional ones too, especially stress and trauma like PTSD. What conditions/disorders does animal assisted therapy treat? Autism spectrum disorders, addiction with like that's drugs and alcohol, cancer, heart disease, dementia, developmental disorders, psychiatric disorders such as schizophrenia, emotional and behavioral disorders, and chronic pain. Some benefits for physical health: it lowers your blood pressure, improves cardiovascular health, releases oxytocin that has like a calming effect, so it calms you down a lot, diminishes overall physical pain. And then for mental health, it lifts your spirits and lessens depression, decreases feelings of isolation and alienation, encourages communication, provides comfort, decreases anxiety, helps children overcome speech and emotional disorders, creates motivation for the client to recover faster, and reduces loneliness. Negatives: there really aren't that many negatives except that animals must be handpicked and perfectly healthy so they do not transmit infections or diseases to patients. So sometimes it takes like really long for these animals to get introduced into the therapy just because they have to be like 100% in good health. Patients may not have the option to do pet therapy due to allergies, and they can only treat a limited number of conditions/diseases. How is the therapy performed? Can take place individually or in groups and is led by a qualified therapist or professional with specialized expertise, used in goal-directed treatment sessions. So like you set goals the week before, and if you meet those goals in that session, then you do new goals in the next one. But if you don't, you continue to work on those goals until they're completed. Much more than simply spending time with an animal. Animal assisted therapy involves specific therapeutic goals, strategies, and outcomes and measures. Therapeutic experiences can include walking, brushing, petting, and caring for an animal, as well as processing the experience of trying to achieve a given task. Do I believe that this is a viable therapy? I do believe that this is a good therapy because many children, teens, and adults enjoy working with animals when they are sad. And if they have their own pets at home, they confide in them in a non-professional matter. This therapy can be beneficial for individuals who are resistant to treatment or have difficulty accessing their emotions or expressing themselves in talk therapy. Like with the therapist, sometimes they might be hesitant to like talk to somebody that they don't really know, but at least with animals, like it can calm them down a lot more to be able to talk to the therapist. And then there's a video.
Awesome. Good work. Stop the recording here.